Hello, everyone, and welcome to Electrical CAD training course. My name is Krishnakumar Singh, and I am utilizing the Microsoft David Desktop United States Voice for recording the video lecture. My goal is to make available the highest quality training in this training course. I'm going to focus on essential tools to create desoldering in AutoCAD. Electrical motorcade. Electrical is one of the most widely used tools for creating industrial drawings. By using the features included in AutoCAD electrical software, you can easily draw all kinds of components and parts of electrical circuits. This course is divided into several parts, and each part provides explanations in details. First, we will cover the interface of AutoCAD electrical. After that, in section 2, we will learn about working with projects and also drawings, how to create projects and drawings and work with them in the next part, war and via numbers tools and how to edit or modify them. Also using signal arrows and cable markers, but providing examples will be explained. After that, we will learn how to create, lather and modify it in the next section. Some needed tools in drawer panel for creating these shapes will be presented, and also working with status bar components and editing them, and also using parent and child components will be covered in the next parts. After that, creating panel footprint drawings and editing them will be provided in the next section. You will learn how to work with connectors and circuits and modify them. Working with terminals and also editing jumpers will be explained in their next part, and the next section using PLC modules and editing them will be presented. After that, we will present creating new symbols and how to add them. Also, we will learn how to update title blocks. Preparing a report consists of different information in your drawing will be explained in the next parts. Also, all the things, the drawings, and applying the related tools will be provided, and by the end of this course, you will be able to create your desired drawing. AutoCAD electrical consists of tool sets that help electrical designers to create circuits, panel drawings of wiring and other electrical drawings. To get started with the software, first of all, I'm going to show you how to open a new drawing and explain about the other part of the software for creating a new drawing. We can use AutoCAD menu, which can be seen here after clicking on it. We need to select a new dialog box, which is named Select Template, will be open, and it includes the templates instances to please provide us predefined items. For example, our default template, which is a current WT, has measurement criteria inches and foot, which is named Imperiale. And if you want to use metric measurement criteria, you can select I or template. At this time, I'm going to select this template, so I choose it, then a new drawing will be opened. First of all, I want to take a look at interface. There are several paths to this interface. The first one is Reburn. It consists of different parts. In the top home, you can see different sections, and each part is separated from other wireline. In the left side, you have Project Manager and Details. Project area contains list of projects and drawings. The bottom section we can see Command section here. You can type the name of the command and use it. Also, it can help us to see the command sequence to execute them. Instead of clicking on each command, you can type the name of it in the command section. you will need to zoom in or zoom out on the screen or see that these are part of your drawing. One of the methods to do that is using one of your mouse scrolling the mouse, which makes it possible to zoom in or zoom out. Just move the cursor to the point that you want to zoom. Dennis Curl Mouse. To say that all the latter, you need to just right-click on the screen, then a new menu will be displayed. Here we have one tool. After selecting this tool, a symbol of such a hand will be appeared at this moment. When you just keep the mouse on the left-click mode by moving the mouse, the screen will be displaced. It helps you to go through your deciding point of trying to exit this mode. You need to press Escape. This section was a summary of general tools needed to get us started with the software, and the following sections, you will learn the details of essential tools.